that could stop the spread. Breakthrough in research of COVID-19, experts claiming the virus is not mutating quickly, and that means there could be a potential vaccine that could stop the spread. Joining us now with more is Fox News medical contributor Dr. Mark Siegel. Hey, Dr. Siegel.
Good morning, Ainsley.
Good morning. Okay, explain this to us. Why is this such good news?
Well, this is research out of Scripps Research, which shows two things. First of all, that it's natural selection. Nature's involved in this that made this virus very contagious. It attaches very easily to your cells and passes from cell to cell. But the good news is it is not changing. It's pretty stable. It's not sending off different subtypes. So that means that the vaccines that are being worked on now, and there's several candidates in the mix, and one is already in clinical trials, which is terrific, that they're likely to work. Because if you think to other vaccines, Ainsley, as things change with a virus, it gets harder to get a vaccine that covers it. This vaccine looks like it's going to be covered by the vaccine and antiviral treatments, we find.
Is that why we have to get the flu shot every year? Because it mutates, it does change?
That's exactly right. We have different strains of the flu every year, so we have to modify the vaccine. Right now, we're not seeing that with COVID-19, which means that we should be able to develop a vaccine that treats it all the way across, at least for the next couple of years.
Okay, there have been so many rumors. Tell us about this new data that proves that COVID-19 wasn't created in a lab.
Well, that research shows distinctly that the spike on the surface of the virus, which is how it attaches to the cell, that is nature. It is not bioengineering. And they've been looking at this virus under the electron microscope since the beginning. There's no signs of splicing, no signs of what we call CRISPR, genetic editing. And now, finally, they've shown exactly how the virus spreads and why it's so contagious. This is not made in a lab. It is not made in Wuhan virology lab. It's an interesting theory that was out there. This is nature.